Good morning, all. Today I want to show you how to create options vertical spreads in today's scenario. First, we will follow this grid. If Nifty is increasing, VIX is increasing, we need to create bull call debit spread. If it is VIX is decreasing, bull put credit spread. If Nifty is in decreasing mode, VIX is decreasing mode, we need to create bear call credit spread. VIX is increasing mode, Nifty is decreasing mode, bear put debit spread. I hope you will be knowing definitions of these spreads. Next, we will go to Zerodha Kite platform. We will see what is the scenario of today. Now I am opening the Zerodha Kite. I am keeping the Zerodha Kite chart in day mode. See, I have plotted super trend and ATR trailing stop losses on the chart, and below I have plotted RSI and ADX. See, the closing price of Nifty today, it's just above, not just above, it's above super trend and ATR trailing stop losses. It's a clear indication of buying mode. Even in RSI also, it crosses above 60, 14 period RSI. ADS is showing clear positive sign. ADX positive line is above red line here. So, according to this chart, this is positive. Same thing we will see in India VIX also. But in India VIX, we will observe the trend in hourly chart also along with day chart. In day chart, at present LTP of India VIX is way below super trend and India ATR trailing stop losses. See, this is ATR trailing stop loss line. This is super trend line. If you see in below RSI 14 line, it's a below 37. It's a sign of negative for India VIX. It's decreasing. Even ADX also is showing red line is above green line. It's sign of India VIX decreasing mode. Same thing we will see in hourly chart. This is also same thing what we have seen in day chart. We are observing hourly chart also. So we have two bias regarding VIX and Nifty. Nifty is in positive trend, VIX is in negative trend. So we will go back to our grid. So here Nifty is increasing, VIX is decreasing. So we need to create, according to this grid, bull put credit spread. How to create bull put credit spread? We will see in Opstra chart. I am opening Opstra chart, strategy builder. And we will see Bollinger Bands also. Just 1 second. It helps to select the option strikes by seeing the Bollinger Bands, lower end and upper end. Here Bollinger Band lower end is, that is support is at 9,800. Now we want to create put credit spread. So we will sell the put strike deep to the 9,800. Let's see how we will pan out. It's July expiry. We will select options. We will select put. First we have to sell. We will select deep to the 9,800 strike. So let's select 9,500 strike for selling purpose. Now it's trading around 84 rupees. It's 84 rupees. It's a monthly expiry price. Please don't select weekly expiry prices. It won't give enough room to adjust ourselves at the time of difficulties. So try to select monthly expiries only. Today, now I added 9,500 for selling. For hedging purpose, I want to add 9,000 strike, way deep to the 9,500 strike. I am adding this. Let's see what's it showing. Now I added 9,500 put for selling. I added 9,000 put for buying in July series. See the beauty of probability of profit. It's almost nearing 90%. Above 65%, it's a very good probability of chances to win the profit in this type of strategies. Here it's almost 87%. For this strategy, margin required is only 33,000 and profit it's giving in for 1 month 3,500 rupees. It's almost 10% of what we have invested. No need to worry about huge max loss. We will keep strict stop loss at 9,500. Actually, our revenue is 9,450. We will keep stop losses at 9,500. We will keep on tracking the Nifty and VIX. As soon as VIX crosses super trend to above the super trend, whatever we have loss or profit, we need to close the strategy. When VIX is in rising mode in hourly chart and day chart, our credit spreads won't work at all. This is golden rule. If VIX is in increasing mode, credit spreads won't work. If VIX is in decreasing mode, debit spreads won't work. So we need to keep eye on VIX as well Nifty. So almost what we have invested 33,000, it's giving almost for annual basis, it's giving 100% return in annual basis. It's a very good return. Like this, by creating the credit spreads and debit spreads, we can have consistent, regular monthly income. Thank you.